Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use ClipMatch to create social content from your own camera roll. Behind the scenes, ClipMatch uses AI models like Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT to analyze what's going on in your social clips in your camera roll, classify them, and stitch them into nice, cohesive videos. So it's not completely, AI-generated AI slop. It's taking your own content and turning them into videos that are yours for, Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms. So sign up and you'll see a dashboard like this. We'll go ahead and create a new project. Our new project will be Napa Wine Tour. And we will upload some content here. And you can upload up to 200 clips. It might take a while if you upload 200 clips. However, it will basically, behind the scenes, use AI to figure out what's going on in each of the clips you uploaded. There are two options. You can either use your existing script if you already have something in mind, or you can build a story. In this case, we don't have a script, so we will build a story. And in this case, we just want to make some social content for friends. So yeah, we'll call it, winery visit for friends. And then what happened? We visited a secluded Airbnb called Spyglass in Sebastopol in wine country, visited a couple wineries, rode bikes, and you can fill out all of these if you're looking for some sort of, outcome here. In our case, we just want it to run with this script, so we're going to leave this stuff blank, and then we'll let it choose the timing based on the clips we uploaded. So now, behind the scenes, it will write the script and then match the script to the videos that you have uploaded. And I think that is the real magic of what's going on here. Great. So it wrote a script and it gives us 3 different storylines. This one is a kind of a chronological one. This one is kind of more of a peaceful vibe narrative. This is a perfect wine country day. I kind of like this one, wine country day. And you can see the script preview here. Use the script. You can edit things and split things more if you would like. But this is good for now, so we'll build the video. Behind the scenes, it's matching lines in the script to your videos, and it's also finding the best moments in your videos. So that's kind of part of the secret sauce here is, you can upload videos that are 20 seconds long. It'll find the best few seconds to really capture the moment. Great, so here it is, the Napa Wine Tour. This is what the perfect day in wine country looks like. And you can see it recommends what it thinks should be the best clip. Start with a bike ride, head up the coast, make time for a coffee, and you can see it knows this is, where to talk about coffee, right? And then, wander the beautiful grounds of the cabin and finish the evening in the private backyard sauna. So I think that's a pretty well done clip. And if it doesn't know which clip to select, let's say you upload, 100, it will give you a few options and it will assign a match score so you can basically choose the best one for that line in the script. Then you can come over here. And over here, you can use an AI voice to just, narrate the video.
Hey there, fabulous AI.
In this case, we will just throw up an AI generation and then we will mute the clips. And then you can also adjust the pacing. You can add sound effects for all kinds of things. For example, typing or any sort of effects. And then you can adjust the caption settings. So we want to use captions. You can change the fonts and the size and all that stuff. But then for a more human touch, I really do recommend recording your own voice. And there's a nice way to record your own voice over here. Great. So now we will preview our clip and we'll see that
this is exactly what a perfect day in wine country looks like. Start with a morning bike ride along the water. Head up to the coast for a walk along the bay. Make time for a midday coffee and dessert break outdoors. Wander the beautiful, quiet grounds of your cabin. And finish the evening in a private backyard sauna. So
it's really cool, right? It lines up the clips with the timing, with the voiceover, so it's perfectly synced. Then you can export and save your video. And that's it. That's all you need to know about how to use ClipMatch.